As I was getting ready this morning, I noticed there was a certain theme to my preparations. I have to do my nails today, do a full face, of course, get my shower done. I want to take care of my skin a little bit. So, these are some of the items I'm going to be using today. So, this is cool Meteor Shower by Black. This is from my youngest. She gave this to me, and as you can see, it says in here that it has actual meteor shower dust or meteorite dust. What? I'm so excited to try it. We have this Blackhead's Pore Strip. Definitely need to use that today. But unfortunately, as you look at the back, all of the directions are in another language. And the part that's in English, give you a second. As you can see, the grammar makes no sense. So we're going to give this a go. I'm going to film myself with this, and it's probably going to be hilarious. I'm really excited. I've already, to be honest, used this color before, and it looks kind of like a gray on camera. And it is when you apply it, but it's buildable. So the more you put on, the darker it gets. So yes. And this is going to go with, of course, one of my absolute favorite nail polishes. This was from an Ipsy bag forever ago. In the color Latte. So yeah, here we go. Here we go. Let's see how these do. I just used that Meteor Shower body scrub, and I just want to show you my tub. This was a pristinely white tub. Oh yeah, look. Can you see my handprint? No problems with staining on my body, like, at all. You know, fine. But, y'all, I've got to clean this before Joe comes home, because he will kill me. He made this tub, y'all, so pretty and clean and beautiful, so I could take a bath. And then this is what I do. Sorry, Joe. It'll be clean before you get home. So I quickly cleaned the tub and shower before Joe came home, because he did such a good job cleaning it before for me. Oh, as you can see, it all mostly came up. I still have some scrubbing to do, but it's better than it was before. Y'all, see, my skin looks so pretty, so pretty. But my bathtub did not. So here we are. I had absolutely zero directions, so I didn't know how long to leave this pore strip on, but how hilarious is this? Like, what do they call it if you're not brown nosing, but it's a black nose? Like, I don't get it. Tar nosing? I don't know. I think if I go down this road any further, my answers are going to be quite questionable. But here it is, and I'm not showing you guys how it is when I go to peel it off, because I'll probably cry. I thought I would show you guys the products I used for today's black and gold look. Here's my caboodle, it's so cute. Anyway, this is the primer I always use so far. This has been my favorite. This is my absolute favorite concealer in the whole wide world. It's Bye Bye. This is a sheer foundation. For those of us who need full coverage, I don't recommend this, but it's great if you don't have a lot of skin issues, and it's great in the summer because it's sheer and it's not heavy on your face. My highlighter today was a combination of these two products. This Lisa Frank brush is my absolute favorite brush for highlighter. So this is actually a foil eyeshadow, but y'all, this works so good as a highlighter. And this is my absolute favorite that's not a silver or cool color. If you're going for a warm or gold look, this is the best in my opinion. Whoops, upside down. And this is the blush I used today. Got that in an Ipsy bag. This is one of my favorite palettes, of course, is Jeffree Star Beauty Killer. And today I used this color. Sorry for the crazy wonky camera angle. Rich bitch. Oh yeah. This is the eyeliner I used. It's just from the dollar store. It's really difficult to use, but it stays forever. And this is my setting spray I used today. And the best way to dry all your face, dry your look, and keep it all nice is with a fan. And here is the nail polish I will be putting on later. This is the mascara I used. I did not put any false lashes on today. I just used this. And it's pretty good, but it's almost out, so I'm going to be needing a new one. Please comment down below, what is your favorite mascara? Here is today's clothing look. You guys might recognize this outfit from a previous video, and I was showing you how beneficial it is to go ahead and set your clothes out for the week, especially if you have a chronic illness or anxiety or lots of things that impair you in the mornings. So here's the outfit. As you can see, it's like a black and gold. You might not actually be able to see really well because of this really bad lighting. But hey, hi. And we'll get a closer look of the makeup here in a second. So after letting my nose rest, after I pulled that pore strip off, it actually wasn't that painful. I was pretty shocked. I left it on for about 10 minutes, I think, and it peeled easily and did not hurt. So if you get your hands on those, they're pretty good. Today's makeup is a black and gold look. As you can see, didn't get fancy with the hair, did zero contouring. Didn't really touch my eyebrows at all, but hey, here we are. And we're gonna do an unboxing here in a minute. What? I don't have a fancy camera set up. I know you're all so shocked about this. I don't have a fancy camera. I don't have fancy lighting. So we're gonna do this unboxing one-handed. So this may be a little shaky, sorry in advance, but them's the breaks. Hopefully once I get more likes and more subscriptions, more subscribers, I can get some better equipment. But until that day, here we are. Joe got me this really special, awesome present from Avon. And first off, make some cool tapping sounds. And I just love this box. It's super inspirational, and I'm probably going to keep this box for a while, if not repurpose this for a craft. But it's got strong, loved, inspiring, peace, caring, wise, all kinds of inspirational sayings on it, which I love. It's also in shades of purple, which I love. Purple's my favorite. So we're going to slide this out. Ooh. Cute little black box. Oh, black like my little soul. Ooh, it's upside down. Comes with this little tissue paper in there. Ooh, look. It says strength. And it's got a little wing. Looks like a little amethyst and maybe clear quartz. Let's see. Angels provide hope and happiness. Amethyst encourages balance and peace. Rock crystal provides clarity of mind. And I am a firm believer in science and also spirituality, and combining the two with minerals, with different types of herbs, with different types of oils, and this is just perfect. Thank you, Joe. I love it so much. And again, purple, my favorite. I'm gonna keep this forever. This is not sponsored, but if you guys are interested, hit up your local Avon representative. So I've gone ahead and gotten my clothes together for the week. I do not pick out clothes for the weekend simply because our plans have to be super fluid with our stepkids and our grandkids and our random family functions and events and hospital visits, you name it. It always seems to happen on the weekend, right? So I don't ever really pick anything out during the weekend and just go with the flow. So here is what I have set out for the actual week ahead. This is my Monday shirt. Everyone needs a Monday shirt. Mine says, nope, not today. I've put these necklaces with it. This necklace actually came from a local like charity event, cancer walk for cancer patients fundraiser. And words, I swear. Anyway, my grandson picked this out for me, which I think is so super sweet. And also, I just really love this moon, so I'm putting that with this shirt. It's kind of a turquoise color. I don't know if you can tell. And this isn't gold. It's more like a rose gold. And I'm putting it with a simple little black skirt. And you may recognize this awesome vest from my haul video. I am so excited to wear this. And I'm pairing it with this little shirt that's got blues in it and greens. It's really lightweight and cottony. Good for the end of the summer. Thank God we're at the end of the summer, y'all. And I'm putting this little blue necklace with it. I don't know if you guys remember the store The Body Shop in the 90s. Oh yeah, giving away my age. This I bought from there. So that's how old that necklace is. And I'm putting these items together with some of my favorite stretchy navy blue legging, jegging things. This outfit is actually a slip dress, also from the 90s from the Express. And I've put it with this sheer top that's also black and white. And I'm going to be wearing this kind of vintagey looking dangly black jewelry necklace. Over here, you'll see these, recognize these from my haul video. I'm super excited to wear them. Try them on, you guys. They fit like a dream. And I'm putting it with one of my favorite shirts. It's like green and black. And then it's got this awesome sheer panel in the back. So that's really cool. And you'll see this choker that goes with it. It's one of my favorite little black chokers. And right here, look, don't goat time for the haters. I'm a Capricorn, so anything goat related I'm super excited about. It's like a light blue color. I'm putting it with this shirt, and I'm putting it with this silver choker. This is a long shirt, so it's going to cover up my butt as I wear these galaxy leggings that have different blues and purples and stuff in it. So yeah, those are the outfits for the week. Chronic Illness Warriors, I highly recommend it. Also, to my fellow models, etc. out there, a little peek into my closet. You're welcome. Love y'all. I'm so excited, guys, because today I get to hang out with my bestie, my ride or die, and I just wanted to show you today's outfit. This was featured in one of my videos where I showed my different outfits for the week. Anyway, so here's this is an Anne Rice t-shirt. I got this. I'm so proud of this shirt. I got this at the gift shop in New Orleans, her official gift shop, and it's really old. So I got this in 2002. And it's seen a lot, y'all. And I put it with this skirt and this belt and a bunch of chains. And yeah, here it is. What do you think? Love you guys. Hope you're having a good one. I just wanted to let you know, if you're going, whatever you're going through, you've got this. I love you. I'm sending all my hugs and love and good vibes. Chronic illness warriors, you got this. Love you.